Today's presentations marks the culmination of a 4-week project within the university syllabus here at the University of Nottingham. A collaboration between the architecture and engineering students to create and design something a little bit different.
We ask students to imagine a future in which cities won't be capable of holding more people. They will be highly densified. So this goal for them to design was to understand that the built environment should allow that to happen, rather than being a technical solution that replaces nature.
My hope is that they've been able to turn that into a final realised solution, but I'm also extremely excited to see what is going to be coming through from a final polished presentation. I think this is a fantastic collaboration between different disciplines within the architecture, property and construction community, and it's something that I think is massively important as the academic syllabus within architecture and engineering continues to evolve.
It's about opportunity for students to engage with industry, with real clients, real projects, real constraints, so that they are capable of transforming them into opportunities. I think it's very important that our students know how things are really done out there. We expect the proposals to combine a strategy in locating the project in the site with the consideration of what users would need, so that technologies and systems could contribute to make that interface. We hope the students get confidence from this experience, and to be confident also to talk about their projects, to share with people. Teamwork is the key for interdisciplinary work. That is something we're expecting students to get out of this early in their careers. As soon as we finish all the 8 presentations, we decide the winner. I really hope the job of the jury will be tough, because the initial visions of the projects are incredibly powerful. So we're looking forward to getting a winner, to go down to Acres offices, to present the prizes, and becoming the start of many more collaboration with Acres.
The standard from these students has been, I'd consider it to be pretty exceptional, both in terms of their research ability and concept proposals have been fantastic.
Yeah.
It's been a hugely enjoyable project to collaborate with the students and obviously the university. There were so many different powerful versions of the brief that was identified. I think that was great. And actually there's a lot that I'm going to take away in terms of ideas and concept design that does inform the real world of architecture. And hopefully as we keep doing this again in the future, there'll be more and more to come.
You know, it's interesting. For our students, actually, it's very important for us to break that barrier between academia and industry. If we make it very close, they will grow that confidence from the early years. Because they were talking about human comfort, about the whole idea of a person that lives happy. So that is a very good sign that these people are going to be designing not only for the feasibility, but also for the desirability of these new places.
Yeah, absolutely. And I think we've identified one that was the sort of standout, with a commendation for another as well. But I'd be interested to see the feedback from the students as to how they feel about that decision as well.
Thank you for participating in this learning adventure. It has given us a lot of food for thought. Today it was all about presenting your intuition, supported with a little bit of research. In the future, that intuition will be replaced by facts, by findings, but that intuition should always be there to ideate, to create a vision of what you want to design. And this is going to be a generation that will make a difference in this course. So without further delay, I would like to hand over to Ed to tell us the results.
With some fantastic use of very interesting new technologies that I perhaps was not aware of as well, was Team 2. Well done. That was, I think you most fully understood the brief. The utilisation of sinking the building into the ground in one regard was fantastic. Your concept to bring that to life, that was just an over and above concept that I was very excited to see, and I think as a practice that I would like to sort of investigate further and see what more we could actually do and implement in the real world. So well done, congratulations.
But overall, congratulations to all of you, because genuinely the concepts and the ideas that you all came up with were all fantastic in their own right. So well done.
We didn't design anything. It's like the landscape over there really just gave the design itself. You have this hill, like why not just put house in the hill? It feels natural. It's this simplicity that really fits with the overall goal of this design project.
I think anything that's going to be more of a real world application instead of just pure study, and I think anything to do with that's definitely a good thing.